Hello everyone, the Retro Gamer here, and we are back to Terraria. As you noticed, I made an underground house, and people are going to be moving in. Bees, gold, good for you. I'm going to make some text too. Any bosses? I have met no bosses. No bosses so far. Oh my goodness. I'm actually glad I met no bosses. Look at all these people. Traveling merchant. Okay, I want to see who else is here. Who else is here that I don't know? Ooh, this mushroom guy. Truffle. Anyone else that I don't know? Santa? Ooh, Santa's here in this. Only people I didn't see was okay. You know, I had enough. Isaac, give me the net. Yes, got you. Goldfish, they smile back. For now on, people should call me the goldfish collector. Good thing the goldfish can appear during rainy days. This is a pond where I should play around with them. Any goldfish? Oh yeah, part where I died. Hey, stay away from here. I'm going to be farming for some coins. Because apparently I need some coins. 11 silver. I don't need tin. What can I use tin for? Goldfish. Okay, tin. Where can I get? Where did I store the tin? Okay, where's the tin? There's tin ore. There's the tin ingots? That's where they are? Where are the ingots? Oh yeah, I need to hold on to any bombs. There's like health potions too. Day bloom. What can I use for day bloom? Where can I get sand? Oh yeah, I need to get some glass bottles. I need to get some... I can make iron skin. Iron skin potions. Did I get day bloom from this? I don't remember getting the day bloom. Bottle wobble water wobble. Gotcha! I gotta catch them all. I gotta catch all the goldy fish so I can put them in a pond. I was hoping to make a pool. I think it's about time for me to make a pool. Gotcha! For my goldy fish. Goldfish, the snack that smiles back. But it's not a snack, it's a prize. Okay. Wait, what? Lava-proof bug net. When things get too hot. Oh! Oh yeah, how do I make health I can make greater healing potions. Ooh, crystal shards and pixie dust. I can make that? I'm just gonna craft some decent healing potion. Increases the damage by 10. And all I need is a ebon koi and a deathweed. And I see a fishy. Life force. Make some life by 20. Love potion. So this makes them fall in love. Princess fish. Shiverhorn. What? I'm just here for the regular healing potions. Or do I need a regular healing? Oh, 1 mushroom and 2 gel? That's simple to make. 1 potion and 2 gel. 1 potion. I have a lot of gel. But apparently no mushrooms. So dang it, do I have mushrooms? I have no I have 1 mushroom. Okay. Oh my. Oh yeah. Deposit this, deposit that, deposit that, deposit this. Oh yeah, I was trying to check out tin. Timber! Timber, I said. Timber. Another goldfish. Gotcha. A worm. Gotcha. Oh, I can make 2 potions. Okay, be right back. Okay, there's nothing better than a cat break. I'll give you that. What do you have? Pen, ears, ghee, mysterious cape, counterweight. Goes a counterweight after hitting an enemy with a yo-yo. Hunter clock. I don't have any gold. Chef pants, chef uniform, chef hat, hunter cloak. What does it even do? Oh no, maybe it's special. Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, I can get more mushrooms. Come on. Boom. Nice. Boom. Yeah, they give off the most, Oh no. 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 Boom, they give off silver too. How about that, foul beast? At the west. Oh, hi. Get me! I'll get you. Dang. Are you still coming? Okay, you're arriving. You are arriving. How about no? Hey, fish! Yeah, it's a flying fish. Flying high into the sky. Is that? A goldfish! It's the twitching goldfish. I'm gonna get him before he dies. Give me goldfish. And I'm also getting wood. Good. Maybe I should replant this stuff. I see you right there. Yeah, you don't take off health. You barely even touch me. However, you on the other hand, you're a different story. You're a different story. You're not that bad. Flying fish, you give off most of the, Okay, literally have to, I literally have to depart as soon as I... Another flying fish. And there's 2 more slimes. Two more flying fish. Is that tungsten? Yeah, that's tungsten. Okay. Maybe I'll do this during the day. Okay, little fish. The flying fish. Oh great, we have a purple slime. Okay, time to say goodbye. Okay, we got 12 tungsten. Hey, have an umbrella hat. Okay. Demolitionist? Did Demolitionist arrive? No. Where can I get a Demolitionist? Well, I need to get like a few bombs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. For me. Tin ore. Let's see how much this gives off. Did I already collected the day bloom that was like... Where was the day bloom? Oh yeah, day bloom seeds. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I never thought. Oh my goodness, another fallen star. Maybe I should use these fallen stars to make something powerful. Okay. Nice. Mana crystals. Just 2 of them. Boom, now I have 60. 60 health points. Do I need them? The answer would be yes. So, goldfish. Another goldfish. Boom. Jester arrows. Yeah. Yes, Jester arrows. Yes, they're arrows. Me. Yes, they're arrows. Yeah, oh, wooden arrows. Okay. Yes, they're I'm just going to ignore that. Worm. And goldfish. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm just going to ignore that. What is good? Is I could get extra money. Yeah! Another fallen star. Are there any, yes, they're wooden arrows. And there's a bunny outside. This is great. I didn't expect this from Master Mode. This is amazing. Where did I put the, it's the best day of my life. And this is Master Mode. Meaning I should have suffered like a few times. But not all the time. I shouldn't suffer that badly. Yo, 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 I'm gonna... Hey, get me down there. Hey, crafting. I like to, okay, I can make a tin watch. Okay. Okay, split. Bunny. Use you for explosives. You might be important for me. Okay, now I can tell the time. It's like 1 o'clock. Hmm. 76, 38. I'll sell like half of this. Hey, it stopped raining. Oh, that's too bad. Okay. Okay. Shop. How about I sell this? And I get some squirrels and a bunny. Yes, get some squirrel and a bunny. Get that squirrel and get the bunny. The bunny. Put the bunny down! Put the bunny down! No! It's mine! I shouldn't stop the Arnold voice. This is the best Arnold voice I can do. Okay. Nice. Sleepy, 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 sleep. You need a good night's sleepy sleep. Oh, okay. Yes, yes, yes! Oh, it's just about to turn nighttime too. Okay. I think I should end this off here though. So if you enjoyed this video or want to see more in the future, leave a like, comment down below what I should do next. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and enable notifications so you can get notified for every video I upload. No, come on. But for now, I'm the Retro Gamer here, and I'll see you later. Bye everyone.